Alcohol from Hakeem International Junior Golf Academy. We have a swing clip here of Peter White. Just going to discuss some of the things and working on here. The video of the first feedback and the second semester here. And just let's communicate a thing or two we're working on with Peter here. Overall, pretty good players, pretty good golf players. We just I have a tendency to kind of leave the ball out to the right sometimes, or really overhook it or even chunk it. Just one or two things that we're working on in the backswing here. As you can see when the club starts back here, if he ends up to work out a little bit too much, you can see that kind of go through that line going on here. So it's something his hands come out a little bit too far, and he doesn't really have the ability to handle the club up properly when he does that, and he kind of rotates his left arm a little bit too early there, but and then he gets to the top of the swing, and the club gets a little bit across the line. And when the club does that, it kind of tends to be the one to kind of fall back behind you on the downswing, as you can see there, and then you can use a lot of chunks, or you can move a lot of balls out to the right, or kind of give hand eye coordination, so he's able to kind of keep his right hand under a little bit that way and kind of help the ball in the air, and contact, majority of the time, just being a good athlete, but we really kind of need to fix that backswing as we get a little bit more of a consistent downswing, and then we can get a little bit more of a consistent impact, consistent ball flight that has to look at. Everything there will be able to kind of shape the ball in the directions which, we'll be able to do to kind of like to get to the next level. But the other thing we kind of want to address is his club face gets a little bit too closed, and the reason for that is his left hand grip is just a little bit too strong, and just a little bit too much extended in his left hand, and you can see that as the up at the top of the backswing, he stops it by you can see his left hand is nice and flat, right on the same line as his forearm there, so that's a position, and for a square club to move, we like to see that club kind of pointing, with that back of the left hand and the forearm there, and as you can see, his club is kind of pointing, kind of too much in that direction, and, the club face is just kind of, just a little bit too close there, and then, what happens for him is he has to kind of block it open, as we say, at impact, to keep himself from hooking the ball miles to the left, and then what happens is he has a tendency to hit a little bit too high to the right, so all we're doing is just kind of, we just like to load down comfortably, but, we're just going to move the skip to get more neutral, which we've been trying to do, but, everybody else to kind of just fall back into the old habit, they just get that too much in the fingers, but, get a little more to the palm there, just try that club face, and then, again, we'll get a little bit more, hinge at the start, and then rotation, as the club comes up to the top, so it's a little bit more to the left in this direction here, which will be a little bit more, which will feel like a little bit more way off, and then pull up to the left, so, so the club comes back down, even better playing, and so that can manipulate so much, or then you can square the back of that left hand up with the neutral club close now, and then we can kind of shape the ball in any direction we want, and just get a much more consistent, solid impact, and be able to control our neutral a lot better, and really be able to take two ball cycles to the next level, and get it where it needs to go. So, we've been successful. We've made some good changes with this video in this direction, and we still will be able to do this, and again, he keeps working hard, and doesn't slack off. It's really kind of pretty good, but we're pretty good. So, if you guys have any questions, feel free to contact myself, Kyle, and we'll be glad to talk to you. Thank you.